More than 2,000 units are already complete. Over 9,500 are at various stages of construction, and a further 24,000 are under procurement. Major developments are underway at the Kiganjo and the General Service Unit Headquarters in Ruaraka, GSU Training School in Embakasi, and at other strategic locations across the country. We have further introduced the Usalama cover under the Social Health Authority. More than 138,000 police and prison officers and their dependents have been onboarded and covered. The cover provides access to primary health care, inpatient and outpatient treatment, specialized care, and other essential benefits without co-payments or administrative barriers that previously burdened many officers and their families. At the same time, our police officers must be trained and equipped with the threats of today, not the conditions of yesterday. We are modernizing training in professional crowd management, intelligence-led operations, combating banditry, forensic investigation, cybercrime, emergency response, and the appropriate use of force. We are also strengthening mobility, air transport, surveillance, command and control, and providing officers with armored vehicles, bulletproof vests, ballistic helmets, and other protective equipment, especially when they operate in dangerous environments. Our objective is clear: a police service that is better trained, better protected, more mobile, and more capable must always be disciplined, accountable, and firmly governed by the law. Additionally, we are strengthening the mental health and physical and psychosocial support, improving equipment and mobility, modernizing training, expanding digital capabilities, and addressing career progression. Today, we are also unveiling a new uniform for general duty officers of the Kenya Police Service. This change follows consultations with police officers and the public in 2023, as well as recommendations for the Presidential Task Force. Officers expressed legitimate concerns about the current uniform, including its quality, suitability, and effect on professional identity. The graduating officers will be the first to wear the new uniform. It will then be progressively rolled out to general duty officers throughout the country, effective next week. The Administration Police Service and the General Service Unit will retain their present operational uniforms. We appreciate that a uniform does not necessarily create professionalism. Character, discipline, training, and conduct do. But the government has listened because the identity, comfort, morale, and dignity of our officers also matter. Dear graduates, you leave Kiganjo, you will encounter situations that will test your courage, demand sound judgment, and challenge your integrity. In those moments, remember that the person standing before you is not merely a suspect, protester, motorist, trader, or political mobilizer. That person will be a citizen whose rights you have sworn to protect. Be firm.
Na ucio ni President William Ruto ari mwena wa Kiganjo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri hinde igongona ria kurekereria makurutu a borithi aria makirikitie mathomo mao agithii na mbere na kwariria maundu mamegie